Ona niguo turaugire atiriri iguru riega ri no ria mutumia waita mehia mothe
ati waita mehia mothe
ukaima we mutheru
ina ni raheire gikwa by the way ndikirite muno
koguo kana ndigeria
njau ni raiguite undu
kana ndigeria njau
Nyokabi mugiri ndi atigagiria njau na mwiko akiuga rundago rukogo
kimenya kamenya aikoni rarire ri ndikuria kiuria kiu kingi
maundu mau mangi ni automatic na mathai karite uguo hau uraigua arakwira atiri we ikaraga oro uguo
ina miaka 18 wira gwarume ni nyamu ndukamaririe
wakinya
wakinya 25 ko gaturehera mundu ri okanuo karia
gatiraga rumeri njamu ndiko karakiro kayo gaturehera mundu
wakinya miaka 30 nduturehere ona ko ni murebi tuthambie
yari kai society yendaga atia
pressure I call it unnecessary pressure it is there all over atumia na athuri they are dying in toxic marriages do you know why because of the phrase of what will people say MC kugiwakaja ni mumemerekia na ni mundu uroneka abati wikara thini wa toxic marriage nigetha andu matikamucambie
tondu ndi role model
riu ni suppose
nginya ngarumagia makofi
kiurago ngomoni tugoka muthite mathiko ma mundu
ucio ni hiki ma
ucio na tondu akua ni hiki ma na kaidari mwega ndio ni ukuire no twaria beteto ciaku so we are just toxic gucirira mwana he mundu ni atigana nake nani mundu ikare maisha make atigana nani uko ndienda gucirira mwana tigana nani ni wewe ko wina wakwenda gucirira waku tigana nani wewe kama maisha yako kila mtu akae maisha yake tutakutana huko mbele
wachana na mimi
mimi niachane na wewe eho
riu niguo ndu wamboragia warake ucio kuringana turona ri ndari na mitugo miega
eho muhiki
riu atwirie tutioi
kari na mundu twambia au
riu ndwambia kumuhe pressure orawe
ni ukwenda mundu atume message ha
andu aria mahikite mendaga kuma hiko-ini na aria matahikanĩtie mendaga kuingira hiko-ini.
What kind of witchcraft is that now? Alafu ri andu aria single monaga andu aria mahikanĩtie makenete na andu aria mahikanĩtie ri monaga andu aria single mari akenu. What kind of witchcraft is this?
Why atu riu kwega riu
this earth has no balance. Kuna mundu ikare aria kwenda gutiri awadi heanagwo ni undu wa mundu kuhikani. So you don't have to be in a hurry.
So andu matige go pressure
mundu athie na pace yake mundu ni athie na pace yake.
Nindakugeithia mwirori wakwa njoke ngunyite ugeni thiini wa tabarĩra ya muthenya umuthi. Ni njitagwo Nguo wa Karanja MC mumbui wa mbere ya marigu. Tugithi na mbere thiini wa channel ino ni turathi na mbere ko tugitrinia andu nigetha matuike atangathi na iroto cio cituike cia ko cikinyanira o ta uria Ngai angimateithiriria. Muthenya umuthi twina mundu mweru muno twenda kuruta gutangatha tuone kana ekota gutangatha nigetha ahote gukorwa akigia na mayu na kiroto giake kia miaka mingi hote gukorwa ikinyanira. Tondu guo no guo tungihota weka nigetha tukorwo tukiteithiriria iheo cia andu aria angi. Thina mbere na go subscribe na go share na go comment. Ni njitagwo Nguo wa Karanja MC mumbui wa mbere ya marigu. Weterere wone mutangathi witu agetutangathira. Karibu sana. Twakunyita ugeni thiini wa tabarĩra ya muthenya umuthi mutangathi witu ni arikitie kuingira thiini wa studio citu rungu rwa muti. Nanya mundu agitangathaga ndakoragwo very serious. So geithia mwiroreri.
Mura ndakugeithia. Ni welcome to MC Nguo wa Karanja TV. Njitagwo Nyokabi. Ndi mucera wa mbari ya muita. Muiwa na mbui ya mbari ya marigu. Gacoka kaika kwa angari a mbari ya mukunga. Na muthenya ni njugaga ni thayo.
Ni thayo.
Thayo no guo twendete.
Ndakuri muthenya ungi ni aturutire ngethi cia kugeithanagia tiwega kuria mundu ni mwega. Ni kumuria urenda atia tubia turane.
Ona niguo turaugire atiriri iguru riega ri no ria mutumia waita mehia mothe
ati waita mehia mothe
ukaima we mutheru ndoyo guo
ati iguru rega no ria mutumia ugaita wehia waku wothe
ukaiba we mutheru
ni bathuri turagibatara guthera
gutire githima kige kiega gukira kiu
githima muondoro
mai ma muoyo
mundu igagira hau aburitu
ukaima hau huthite tai na kareio na kanini tathi ukigana wehia wakwa muingi
no kaiba we munogoku
ukaiba we munogoku
na gutikaga ati kiu ndokyo kigongona rume baturagiria maru kingi
gutire andu hangi mundu miaturagia maru ona mundu ndamenyaga agituria maru ikoraga ni uturirie by default
ende guturithia maru kia hinya
ona ti kia hinya the circumstances demand that the circumstances demand that
gwiciria nikio wathani ngai no tauku wake na hinya wake we mwene ri ni oni handu handaga kuhathondeka uguo andu no marege kugia ciana
ni no marege
riu murithiaga murike no cianyu uguo ngahetoka hau uguo thiite kuria ndirathi
na riu weri marika meri mokori wathe warika ririku
ni ndi warika ria Mwangi ndi wa maina Mwangi ni yawa Mwangi ni yawa
kogo Mwangi akiaria
ndingiaria
tugacokanio kwanyu na nyukwa
Tira kaharie na ithu turi abaida
ni wega uguo
riu uhoro waku
ni mwega biu maragwa turiega
no murendia maraya mana kibau
thaa ici turendia ikwa ndi ndiakwirire
na ni uraheire gikwa by the way ndikirite muno
koguo kana ndigeria jau
ni uraiguite undu
kana ndigeria jau
Nyokabi bugiri ndi atigagiria jau na mwiko akiuga rudagwo rukogo
kimenya kamenya ai koni rarire ri ndikuria kiuria kiu kingi
maundu mau mangi ni automatic riu ri ria twiriga hau ni twiriga ni tukwaria you know some of the challenges koretwo ciho na tukiuga muno ona tukwenda uko tukiuria ni atiriri maundu mara society yukaga ne kabio go pressure andu no muthi aiko kwina andu makoretwo makioma pressure dwi out of experience kwina andu ingi muno makoragwo makira mundu gia kana kangi no gia kana kangi we wi kana kamwe andu ni mago pressure go gia mwana ungi
yeah it happens ni mukuru muno na miaka 6 ugie mwana ungi
by the way na ndingi muno maingira kihiko-ini wonagwo na aciari mambagia kuria ngaciarwo
uyu agaciare ana kana wagia kamwe gakinya miaka 6 uyu gagaciarira mwana uyu ri mwana ngani aratunanga ni guikare ika maundu ta macio by the way matiagaga
no kana ngoni ta mwanake to uyu kaigwa kirwa hikania kana anake magakirwo to uyu na anake makirwo mahikanie
pressure the social itago peer pressure guti kundu itakoragwo ona anake ni mahya ona iritu oraguo raiga anake iritu ni mahyago pressure muno ya kuhika
ukorio ni atia
wena
mathai karete uguo hau uraigua arakwira atiri we ikaraga oro uguo
wena miaka 18 wiragwo arume ni nyamu ndukamaririe wakinya wakinya 25 ko gaturehera mundu ri okanuo karia
kiraga arume ni nyamu nduko karakiro kayo gaturehera mundu
wakinya miaka 30 nduturehere ona ko ni murebi tuthambie
yari kai society yendaga atia
pressure I call it unnecessary pressure it is there all over pressure ko kundu
na society rakwira ugu nigethe benefit na keyo nyene
no they don't want to benefit they just want to put pressure it makes them happy to put pressure on you
so they just want to be happy to see you suffering
not really
because when they introduce you to the toxic marriage you know they are the one marigaga mundu ucio ni arahikio ni mundu wa bara
and weka ngamo ni kwaria horo wa toxic marriage tondu wonaga nikirona nginya atumia na athuri totie kuga atumia na athuri they are dying in toxic marriages do you know why because of the phrase of what will people say
ukarigwa atiri ndoima kiko-ini giki andu mekuga atia
iyo aiko hena phrase itumite andu makwire kihiko-ini makwire relationship-ini ni that phrase of what will people say na hindi ria ukekora no uma njera ya what will people say you are a very free person.
An independent person.
Yeah, very dependent. Yeah, tondu uria tondu ukona mundu ni araimire kihiko rĩngĩ na mundu ni muhonoku ni pastor kana ni ki, but the fact that you are a pastor kana the fact that MC kugi wakanja ni mumemerekia na ni mundu uroneka abati wikara thini wa toxic marriage nigetha andu matikamucambie
tondu ndi role model.
Tondu wi role model riu ni supposed to
nginya ngarumagia makofi
kiurago komoni
ndi role model
ndugacambe. Yeah, koguo maundu macio maratuma what will people say is a very dangerous form of peer pressure.
Maybe we can define it na kuga atiriri nigetha andu tondu one of the thing itumaga andu metigiriri ni ku fail. We can start by defining it to say it is normal to fail.
Yeah, failing is part
normal.
of life. Your life will not end because you failed. But your life will end if you continue staying in a toxic marriage. Yeah. Yeah, your life will not fail because you will not end because you walked out of a toxic marriage. But it is likely to end if you continue staying in that toxic marriage.
You know, do not die because at when you retigira kufira andu marikuonaga atia. In fact, one undu mwe ngoretwo ngiona ona kundu tukoretwo githii macinani ri twenda gwika stories cia mundu ringi ukoretwo ena thina ihinda inene muno ringi nyumba yake ni iroira ringi na thina. We as a channel we do not tutiri na mbeca cia guteithia tumiraga ithu twikaga story tweka story ri ugateithika no kora mundu ucio ndarenda kuoneka TV ni tondu andu mekuga atia
ni arahoya teithia
but no andu acio mekuga atia ri ni makoretwo makimuona gicafa na matutete kumuteithia so aga gwika uguo eguthi na mbere guikara thini wa thina ucio o andu mekuga atia
andu makiaragia na andu twaigire no nginya marie riu wetha andu ekora hai undu ari undu andu batie ku accept andu no nginya marie wende kana urege ona wakua twagucuka wike imba muthenya waku wa mathiko ona miarahana yani ni imagine uria tukote toxic. Do you know that is very toxic nginya mundu acukagwo emuku muthenya tugoka muthite mathiko ma mundu
ucio ni hiki ma
ucio na tondu akua ni hiki ma mundu na kaidari mwega ndio ni ukuire no twaria beteto ciaku so we are just toxic. Society is just toxic. So whether you are alive or dead, whether you fail or you succeed, we will still talk about
so what can you do to evade pressure aheo in society?
You just don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
It's that simple. It's that simple. I don't have mundu ngi ora ndiroririe twagia na kanjuria atiriri what if you realize that people don't like you? And she was like I care. Like I care. So whether you like me or not, that's not my problem. Yeah. So the only way ya kuepuka so peer pressure, stop giving a fuck.
What about mundu ndiga tukwari horo igia drama pressure gado magie mwana ungi. Do you know kwina mundu ngira pressure age mwana no ni agire?
Na ringi ona no akoni kwaga agite mwana kana akorwo economic status kana financial status yake ndingi mwitikiria agie na mwana ungi tondu njigua makiuga mwana kana thani yake no macio ni mahenda kionje ndathithario ni thani yake handu acio ni maheni. That is the lie. That is ndukana henyo ni mundu ati mwana kana thani yake riu ugie mwana ndu ina mbia na ithe we ndu ure mwana baire tatwire how expensive is raising a kid. You are the newest daddy in town.
Atiriri ino hena mundu ngijirega kuona twi handu ugu twikarite ugu andu makiambia makimuria atiriri we ukagia mwana ri mundu ucio akiambia guita maithori.
Yeah, because you don't know the story. You know, I say that every face tells a story. Okay, every smile or every smile hides a face. And every face hides a story. And until now you go behind that face and get to hear the story, then you don't have any reason to judge.
Mundu ucio ngeciri ariraga ni tondu wake.
Tondu wa maundu maria arerwo ni aregire. No ndikanira underline kiria. Main word waregire. Nona ti wagire waregire. Koguo according to society we ni kurega urarega. But they don't know the underlying issues iria ciratuma utuike in that condition ya God drag ya mwana. Yeah.
How do you handle
maybe
people who pressure you to get?
Maybe your husband does not even have sperms.
And it is not your fault.
It's not your fault.
Yes.
It's not your fault that your husband has no sperm
maybe you do not want to have a baby because we do fageire oguo.
Do fageire oguo. Oguo riu ni juga ni
andura mago pressure ga we omeraga atia.
Ate guciarira mwana he mundu ni atigana nake nani mundu ikare maica make tigana nani uko ndienda guciarira mwana tigana nani ni wewe ko wina wakwenda guciarira waku tigana nani tigana nani.
How do you handle such critics? Tondu menye andu ramwe na mapreshaga mundu kwina mathaini ro na fathaini ro na arataku.
Fortunately, I don't have either of those. I don't have my mother-in-law is late, my father-in-law is late, and I'm sure if my mother-in-law is alive, she wouldn't do that. But gutikiaga ona society yo na arata mukina atoke na kyo ni anane hire yekwenda guciarirwo. Some maragia tare jokes, but in the real sense they mean whatever they are saying. You just ignore. Atake mwaka ciarirwo.
How can you encourage somebody who is watching you?
Live your life. Stop pleasing people. Stop doing things to please people. You will die. Oko kwa matige magitheka.
Na baisa baku so ona no wega turute mu in society kwa go pressure andu guikara maica maria matari mao because ugo pressure mundu uyu aingire thiini wa maundu ategubataraga thiini wamo na ringi nduramenya mundu ucio maundu maria akoretwo akigerera. I believe mundu ucio ringi wariraga ni tondu wa kura challenges iria akoretwo akigerera nacio thiini wa uturo.
Maybe ona ena murimu warageria good treat nigetha hote kugia mwana. Women have issues. We have issues. Hema hewa kindu ukona fibroids na ukona sinini sita mirimo ya the reproductive system igigiria ukoro ukigwatia at that time. Koguo I think we should learn to give people space, let people be, which is very hard. So instead of letting people be, or instead of waiting for the society to let you be, just live your life.
Just be.
Yeah. So the society will never leave you alone. Oh, you know to fati gwetikira. Ti uthira mukikenegania andu ati tigana Tia utirokira society tie kujanjia andu ira mundu ucio rajanjo aikare maica make.
Mundu akuri ugo fati kumwira atia
ati kana niguciaira mwana ndaciaire wake akore nake aguciaririra ati kana nani. Yeah, because I remember on that peer pressure ni kukwetwo ndakwira riu kyo maica ndari na miaka 3 na nuthu. Koguo from 2 years ni kana miaka kawarete miaka na ndararia mwana ucio he's just murmuring na amamaga na githungu. Riu I remember family members ni maheaga pressure muno and I remember a call that came through ria ni ndikona mathaa ma mwana ni ndaremirwo ni mwana ucio afati ukorwo akiheana ndeto ate tutindaga TV ni ndindaga na thimu ndikona mathaa ma mwana. Yani it was that call nginya thaa ici ndicigia undu ucio ngaigua it hit me differently tondu uria ura complain ati mwana arecairwo ni kwaria ndaramenya what I'm going through because I'm equally that time I was very much confused. Ndia kwedia menyaga riu ndiramenya mwana wakwa nikiragiria I'm trying so hard kumenya kiki atama mwana wakwa na delayed speech. So it is nirani stress no we woka gwakwa wakora mwana wakwa ndaragia na wenda kuni judge ati ni
atuturaga thimu-ini
ati ndura thimu ni ndiburithagia mwana wakwa. You see the way the society does, they judge you outright without had mundu take time na menye niki kiraria kiria kingi but kawaida tu we ke ndukoragwo na mathaa ma mwana nduburithagia mwana kwaria but you're not even supposed to teach a kid how to talk. How? You are not supposed to teach, the kid knows how to talk. Ndugibundithia mwana kwaria surely. Ndugibundithia mwana kwaria. Mwana aragia maundu maria araigua. How
did you handle such call?
I couldn't tondu uria wahurite thimu tutingicokaneirie nake. So I just had to retract and ni hakwa ndiendire undu ucio ndwangenirio na hanini. Ndwangenirio na hanini by the way. Ndiakenire.
Riu taigwe na mutumia urakurira na nigwa hetwo pressure ngimwira atia
just live yourself, you live your life. That is the bottom. Ni uti ndugigira mundu weka maisha yako, kila mtu akae maisha yake, tutakutana huko mbele.
Wachana na mimi
mimi niachane na wewe. And you know that's why I was telling you that there is nothing as good as enjoying your own company. Yeah.
Now let's go now to the group that is being pressurized to get married.
Kahari by the ukaikania ri nyambie pressure tha ici
ukaikania ri
ho
riu ndu waboragia warake ucio kuringana turora ri ndari na mitugo wega ho muhiki ndu atwire tutioi
kahari na mundu twambia
riu ndwambia kumuhe pressure orawe
ni ukwenda mundu atume message ha ni akorire muno rika yake reke na ciana cio kire guthii cirathi stand one. That's the pressure now.
Iyo ni pressure ikoragwo thĩinĩ wa society ukahikania no kahikia ũũ society renda atia
rika rĩaku ciana ciao cirorete grade 1 we na ndũrĩ wahikania ndũrĩ waturehera mũndũ. That's the pressure. But mũndũ ikaya na maica make, maybe he doesn't even want to get married.
It's not a must for you to get married.
No, marriage is not kugaga atia gutire certificate iheagwo tiga ya uhiki na uhiki tiga nayo. Gutire award iheanagwo ni undu wa mundu kuhikani. So you don't have to be in a hurry.
So andu matige go pressure
mundu athie na pace yake. Mundu ni athie na pace yake. Mundu athie kuheana pressure. Kaharia no aigua ri ni ndirakoe pressure by the way. Mundu kahikania wenda na aigua ndũkũhikania. Na aigua ndũkũhikania uko na baby mama satiri na thina.
I'm not talking about the career, I'm talking about mundu ngi atiriri aikorwo andu acio ringi anake ringi marero mahikanie ri na mundu iga ng'ombe to ni arona iria ri na riu uyu ni arona iria matari na ng'ombe uramwe pressure yake ahikanie
arahikania na ni arona iria ni ahota gukamona ng'ombe tari kiugo bata ni akorona ndo
arakama varieties
kama nginya na thara wene
uratindokira mundu ati aige ng'ombe araiga ng'ombe yake na ni athia
matige kuheana pressure.
Mundu nĩ kuikara maica make.
Mundu nĩ kuikara maica make. It's very good and very healthy to let people be. Tondu on that issue ya kuhikania na kuhikari. We are living in a very imbalanced society. Tari ukirora maundu maya turathoma for the last 1-2 years. The deaths in marriages. Yani mundu ni mana kunio kanioraga family ngima na coke uraga kana nioraga kana mundu ni akora muiretu wake na muhiki ungi na muraga uguo. You see, aiko hena kindu kiraskia people and you should read the comments under such posts. Ni ucithomaga ukona 90% of the comments they are saying I'd rather stay single. So the marriage has become another death den. Yani marriage itwikite kindu kingi, yani urahika ugeciria ukuhika muturire waku ugacire ugacoka ugekora wahika wacoka uweka ati woragwo kana watu kionje. Koguo I think even what is happening in marriages right now as we speak, because I told you the society is sick. There is no debate about that. The society is mentally sick. Whether andu metikire kana mage gwitikira, we are living in a sick society. Koguo the death in marriages, they are scaring people off. Koguo ona kaire tene kona matenda kuhikania ni that fear of tondu andu aya nigetha makihikania bia citiguthurana mathura-ini mendanite piu tondu matihikania ni guthurana karigo hakinyi ni hawe ndoyo ugithira ugituika ati ni warehe gikuo thiini wa nyumba. Koguo that fear ona ni atuma andu meke ati metigire kuhikana kuhikania. Yeah, sometimes I understand them. Tondu na aria hiku tha ici they are not sure of how it's going to be.
But how life ikoragwo ihana atari tondu riri andu aria mahikite mendaga kuma hiko-ini na aria matahikanĩtie mendaga kuingira hiko-ini.
What kind of witchcraft is that now? Alafu andu aria single monaga andu aria mahikanĩtie makenete na andu aria mahikanĩtie ri monaga andu aria cikuma mari akenu. What kind of witchcraft is this?
Why tu riu kwega riu
this earth has no balance. Mundu ikare aria kwenda na uria na design ile ramukenia. Happiness should be the bottom line.
And you should not be pressured that ati maisha wikarage maisha ma mundu ungi. Live your own life.
But now that is the other problem that we have. People are living fake lives. Yeah. That's the other problem that we have. As much as we would like to tell them to live their own lives, people out here are living fake lives. Yeah.
How fake?
How fake? Like you are trying to dona against social media uragia ku adopt lifestyle kingi gitari giaku na hindi uraragwo utagite kana uri yagithe no kwa tuhuragira bico kiria ma pizza gana kina hindi gwaku muci ona maguta ma kuruga nduri
ndio ugire bothe ndathie gutisa social media na pizza
no pressure kuma social media hena ndo moya pressure yo. People are living fake lives.
By the way na gutie ndo mekagira bica social media makirira
sa ona ndo na mudekete bica tigani ndekete bica ya githeri muthenya ungi ni nyamu no na bica ta icio
gutie bodo no wekira bica kiria githeri
ni hinya muno unless you are making a joke out of it.
Na ndio regi ukandura githeri
twekiragirwo cia pizza na mura ni wonaga andu ta mahuraga mbica me batatu-ini
aca
mahuraga mbica me batatu-ini ahora mbica tani wone andu mahuraga mbica me ngari ni passport kwanza mundu agitwarithia ngari na ndio nginya ona ndui gwika ati ignition ndui nginya ignition ki haria ikiragwo riu enda gututisha kuria wikira. That's why I'm saying people are living fake lives, so it's just you are on wewe ikare uri maisha maku okoni ko ikara fake life well and good. If that suits you, that's continue living your fake life. If you want to be real, then be real. It's your choice. Choices has consequences. Yeah, consequences.
What do you conclude by pressure cia miturire? How can we handle such things as we conclude?
We can just be ourselves. Just live life one day at a time. What else would you do? We ugika atia ko niwe ni raheo pressure utari ka Brazil ka kinya miaka 3 mwambie muiga ni ananahire muno uyu ni agutuna ni mutunirie mwana muno ugika atia ko niwe na ndubangite kwa kudumedre atekiri na we na priorities ingi. You know, people think that having children should be a priority, should be prioritized, as in it should not be overtaken by anything. Yani ukakorwo bangite muturire waku tiga utigwitikira andu mabangire muturire waku. Tau ni kije kamucie na miaka 10
adragwa na gutibura hoyo teithio
ona na mebutino de muziadede tondu it's me, it's my choice.
That's your choice.
Yeah.
Nadu matia kwema pressure.
Yeah, you should not give people pressure to do whatever you want them. You should not pressure people to fit in your box.
Live your own box.
Yeah, ikara box ni yaku tigana ni ile kajikare uri ngwenda muturire ni wakwa. Ani gwenda kuga atiriri tugika ati on a very serious note. I'm very serious right now. Godoka ngeciria undu ungi turagia na discussion the way the life has been treating our kids. Ona mathi college kona mundu ni atuika muici, mwana ureire kanitha-ini ni atuika muici,
ona mathie na akahika ahikio kou
arabu maundu maria areka ni ahurire umaraya ati ona gukoinange na ndui kundu mwana waku ona gukoinange agitega. Yani maundu maingi ciana cireka na njugi atiriri oni raiciria ruriri rwa Gikuyu from mane mawoni ma Nyokabi ngatha
ti murugamo wakwa nie mwenyewe kana wa TV ndo ni
murugamo wa Nyokabi ngatha. Horo wa riri kigongona kiria gitetagira ciana ciaku riria ciathie na kuja.
Ugo ni kuga atia?
Ugo ni kuga atiriri Gikuyu kanori muthuri niwe muthinjiri Ngai uria munene muno thiini wa gwaku you are the high priest in your home. Koguo athuri ni mabacirie tondu ni maremwe ni ku establish kigongona thiini wa mucie kiria gitetagira nyumba yake mutumia wake na ciana ciake me ku mucie kana menja wa gwake mucie. Yes.
You have a revelation. What do you mean?
Athuri ri makiremwo ni guthaithanagira nyumba yao. Nona tondu they have not established that kigongona kithiini wa mucie ya guteta. Koguo na mwana wako aima gwako aima ndungu rwa irigo rwaku rwa mucie ri athi na kuja ri gutina kigongona kiramurumirira gikagia kumutetera. Koguo na ngoma iria gucemania nacio kuu thuku na njega ri ciaka cia muguthari ndai na shield.
And the shield no.
Shield ni ithe. Ni kigongona kiria ithe a establishite gwake mucie nikio gibati gutetera ciana ciake kuria guothe ciathi. Kigongona ri muturi Muikuyu tene kanori okiraga muthuri Muikuyu ndagaga ira thiini wa nyumba.
Ira ni ndui.
Ira ni it's on etagwa tene ndiuka ni ritwa ya githungu the white substance ikoragwo kiria maguru-ini ma Mount Kenya. Ira we wana igwa ira ngwisi
barafu
ti snow. Ira tirio snow tika no ria ritagwo
aya ira
ndagaga ira okira rucini akahaga mutumia na ciana agacoka akamaithaithanirira. Tondu gutire mundu ungi ubati ukorwo hete rutha we muthuri Mugikuyu rwa guthaithanira nyumba yaku tiga we mwenewe na mahoya maku ni maiguikaga na ihenya muno nawe uria wera Ngai tondu na we niwe Ngai gwaku. So nawe ukariria mwene nyaga we wi Ngai gwaku ukariria mwene nyaga ugathaithanira nyumba yaku na andu aku nigetha mwana wako akimagara na kuja akona kigongona kiria kiramutetera giki ithe a establishite muci. Yes.
So is this the problem with many families?
Yes. na kiona ciana cirathi na kuja cikongania mitugo makoya mitugo ukarigwo mwana ucio mutugo ucio gwitu na guti undu uragona lineage yanyu arora lineage ya guti undu to ucio uri wa happen no mwana akurima muci all of a sudden ni athii oya kimutugo kiho ukarigwo na kuria kiime tondu kigongona ni to andu ni moragire kigongona kia antikuraga na matiri master most people have not established that kigongona kiria gitetagira family yaku riria mwena ukaria mutari nao ni ubatara athuri ni ondraririe inyui ya ngugi wa karanja na akaharire akagia muci mundu a establish kigongona gwake nyumba
kigongona giakagwo atia
turabatara gwaka you just rakio kwamura handu haria urithia gũthaithania ciana ciaku na mutumia waku tari muthuri ni okiraga rucini we are the problem with us now we have demonized muratina so much no ego he kindu koragwo na ndathimi thiini wa mucini muratina tondu muratina thondekagwo na mai kigwa okay mai ni ma kegundire thimio muthi mai ni moi uti undu mai marigagwo ni mai na mai ni muoyo wanyita hau hena muratina reke twambe tuthie na muratina tuthie he kigwa ri ni gikuraga na marungo ndonaga riu kigwa no ngoria kigwa thiini wa njohi ya muratina ri ni andu aku na we mwene mukure na mukure na marungo nakio kiratinari ni urona muratina na andu tuagwo muratina niguo igwithagia koguo mubatie gukura na mutigakue before mutikage na premature death mukure ta kiratina
nginya hinda ria nyurikinye iyo niyo koragwo ona wona riu muthuri athuri atene ngo ciona wana guka wanyu aimanja agaita njohi ya muratina kuuja akirongoria akihoera andu ake uguo niguo muthuri mugikuyetanaga koguo andu mathie ku demonize njohi ya muratina we ni nyuaga muratina
ndiaga gukunda tondu ikihandeirwo gwakwa ndiagura tondu ihandeirwo gwakwa koguo athuri agikuo niguo ngenda kuga atiriri manormalize guthaithanagira nyumba ya hindi wathaithanagira blessing na mamu ao ri it has more impact than when any other person calls on God for them
so ni ndi powerful gukira mutungatiri wakwa
yeah na meke gituma kwa ipa gukira mutungatiri waku we cannot ignore the things that we are seeing on social media tungatiri ni mara sodomizia nake atungatiri muna matina matura matiaga atumia ringi na muna na mutumia wa gatano mutungatiri aturaga huraga muka kogo we you are even in a better place than this guy who has been sodomizing boys so who is more powerful yeah nakigona kile mundu ali speed no kona kigona nikiona ne urona ginya ndo mathi makoya marho matari mao ukona nona kuigirwo moko you should be careful who is putting his hands on you todo ni ikoragwo transfer of energies yeah
kuo no transfer energy ya kurima migunda kwene
ni go transfer ginya energy ya umaraya nduramya na kuria wakuma todo andu ya matara magigira moko arite president worship yothe gutia tona atari ona njaga yake ni urathi kutuia maroko igire moko
nayo kama bia
yeah gogo athuri me kwenda gukira athuri I've been thinking about that tondu ndimo kona kinya kona maundu mangi LGBTQ aria matoge LGBTQ ni agikuyo itu maihurite ku athuri aria anake mathi kuigwa South Africa na kuria kungine meko hiki kama na karaoke Gikuyu kogo what happened Gikuyu ni twateanire magongona maitu you will not see so many Masais ona ko mari kunia nini muno na matigweka muno
kama kagoruku
todo Masais and the other tribes matiri mateania kigongona kia maithe mao sounds crazy but it is the truth
ndwetigira ni mekuhura uriga maime kanitha
ndagweta kanitha handu
ndagweta kanitha handu nera mundu mekanitha
ngina mundu mekanitha ndaiga atiriri you know I always say that the religion that divides us spirituality unites us. That's a very deep statement. The religions will always divide us, but spirituality unites us. Todo omudo he hari a connecting na I call it connecting the divine. Todo gai bitu ni umwe. Kana mu either mu a Christian or the tukorago na one supreme being that is God up here. Itetigo. Kogo muiza makigera ya Muhammad ri mukristo akagera he Jesu ri uyu gakagera hari ari the destination
ni ngai wa kirinyaga.
Destination ni ngai. Kogo ithuothe ri twatuika divided ni religion ri the spirituality up here it unites all of us. Kogo all of us we are calling on one God. Na niko njugaga atiriri we all connect with the divine at different levels. Kiarito wa muno.
Ikaikuruka.
We all connect with God at different levels. What we should kiria tofati go concentrate muno, it's this connection with the divine. When you connect with the divine, you don't get shaken by this religious bullshit. You are just there. You are above there. You can be a Catholic, but you can be very spiritual. You can be from another church, but you are vibrating on a very high frequency.
Well. So you are advising Christian vibrate on a higher frequency.
Yeah, on a higher frequency. Ona jukaga atiri mbere utuikite mu Kristo we mugikuyu. Jesu arwirana na thikũ 8 kuringana na unduire wa Ayahudi. I don't know if you are getting that right.
Yes, I'm getting it.
There is no point in Jesus' life that he left the custom of his people. Koguo Jesu abiri akihigia unduire wao. Maundu maria mothe ekaga ona ngirora Google yugaga he did this and this as per the Jewish custom. Koguo we nawe tiga gutuika so much ati we ona ndwenda kumenya wa muhirigo uriku. Ona ndwenda kumenya abui mekaga atia. Ndwenda kumenya abui moikaine nake. Ndwenda kumenya aihwa aku. We muihwa nao. Muihwa aku koragwo. Ndoi mamwe wa muhirigo uriku.
No mugaciko.
Ni we muihwa aku no wa gaciko. Muihwa ndwenda kumenya mauthi ma aihwa aku. Yani we are so ignorant na ngogiwathia ngwakiuga atiriri, if you don't know where you come from, you don't have any business knowing where you are going to.
That is another show. Yeah.
It is very serious actually. Koguo agikuyu ne tugwite na ne kirona ne andu maroria niki. That question has been asked. Why our Wajiko, Waboi, Kariuki, Junge, they are the ones we are seeing with this shitty crap. Tondu ne twateania magongona ma maithe maitu. Kigongona kia maithe maitu ne twakiigire thi. Tukioya kigongona kingi na tubatie kwambia ngemi cimana mucii. Ocio no ndumwe andu matakorwo makimenya. Ndimenya maigaga uguo na ndiukane mamenya meaning ya statement iyo. Ngemi reke cime gwaku ngugi. Menyera guthaithanagira family yaku, itanagira andu aku.
That was so powerful. Even if orongo ni murugamo waku, it was so powerful.
Yeah.
And we needed to hear it. Riu ri kuria Nyokabi ngatha ndirenda wina YouTube yaku.
Ndina YouTube channel yakwa.
Itagwo atia?
Itagwo Nyokabi ngatha. Ndorete subscribers 2,000.
Wow, you are growing.
Ona ira ndiragomia na irata.
So we can now to thie ku to subscribe. Atuiga mundu guthie ku
YouTube. Andike Nyokabi ngatha. Subscribe.
That's so wonderful.
Ndina videos yaku yetikibau. Mundu no athia watch ire ku. Hena horo wa mihiriga mauthi ma mihiriga. Hena kiria kiraria rurire turario ni kitwario ni musti turario ni ugurani kirumi mugiro thahu cio turaturia kirumi gia tiri ntoi horo wa kirumi kiu kininite andu kirani na andu kiriu
Uwe atura gohoro
kirumi gia tiri kirani na andu kuri tondu andu ni marimwe ni gukuraga tiri wao uragura tiri wana oranganirwo wanekirwo maundu ma magigi
ubati gukura atia
magongona matianekagwo mitambo-ini.
Okay, rekio horo gohoro
ni ndakena tukwaragia horo wake uguo twaririria ni mwakiigua
tari horo pressure cia uturo
andu matie kwi andu pressure mundu reke ikara areko ikare uria arenda kuikania hikanie uria arenda kuikania hikanie
tondu urenda kugia mwana age no urenda kuri ikare
urenda kugia ikare mundu ikare uria kwenda without pressure. Now I will not tell you to tell the society to let you be, just be you. Ikara uria kwenda. Yeah.
Maisha ni maku. Wajuka uru.
Ngaguka wega.
Era ndoigia ati wajita uru gwite saitani. Thank you so much kwa gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ri tondu ria twarite hamwe na ithie. Thira mbere go subscribe na go share na go comment tugagucokeria ngatho. No thithe ino YouTube ya Nyokabi ngatha. Subscribe muonie wendo cio utuonagia nigetha gutigira maundu mothe ni makinyanira. See you next time. Nitogo wakara MC.